In this video, we're going to walk through updating our spreadsheet with the revenue assumptions for budget number 1 for the next 5 years. First, we need to update the numbers in each cell. To multiply by a percentage, start with an equal sign, then select the preceding cell, insert asterisk for multiply, and type the number you want to multiply by to get your percentage. For example, if you multiply the preceding number by 1.035, that will multiply the number by itself plus 3.5%. Add the appropriate numbers to each cell as outlined in the revenue assumptions for budget number 1. For the Education Resource Center, we estimated $38,600 for 2019 to 20, then $42,200 for 2020 to 21, $47,240 for 2021 to 22, then $52,430 for 2022 to 23, and finally $55,250 for 23 to 24. For Child and Family Services, we estimated $150,000 for 2019 to 20, then $250,000 for 2020 to 2021, then an increase of 5% each year to 2023 to 24. For special education, we are increasing the estimate by 1.5% per year for 5 years. You'll note that I'm clicking on the little square in the bottom right-hand corner of the cell and then dragging to the right to fill the other cells. This is called autofill, and it's a function that works both in Microsoft Excel and in Google Sheets. It will copy the formula from previous cells and extrapolate it to the end of wherever you drag the autofill to. Student support is estimated to increase by 2% each year for 5 years. Language and culture will need more revenue as a result of putting more training into this area, based on the priorities outlined in the Comprehensive Community Plan. We are estimating $120,000 in 19 to 20, then $144,000 in 2020 to 21, then a 4% increase each year to 2023 to 24. Cafeteria sales revenue is projected to increase by 5% per year due to the increased number of students. Rent revenue is expected to increase by 4% per year. GST recovery should also go up by about 4% each year. GIC revenue should remain stable at $720 per year, unless interest rates change. Money transferred in to cover admin costs is expected to increase by 3% per year. Finally, money received to cover the cost of human resources is expected to increase by 3% per year. Note that the projected revenue changes over the next 5 years have increased total revenue by $1,644,890.53. Revenue for fiscal 2023 to 24 is expected to be $8,194,516.42. Note also that the listed assumptions may not come to pass. This is where a flexible budget process makes sense, since budgets can be adjusted periodically to reflect updated assumptions. Let's move on and look at our expense assumptions under the budget number 1 scenario.